Hi guys, it's mail time. Did you guys ever watch that Blue's Clues where he does the mail? We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Anyway, wonder no more. This package is from Lolivefe. So, let me take my treasures out, ditch the box in the pile of boxes. Okay, so this is from Lolivefe. These are the wood rounds. They have a, I did not order any 8-inch, but they do have an 8-inch. I've done a couple videos on them. If you do order these, because they are very nice, but if you do order them, there, is a notice that, when you're working with real wood, that you do want to seal your wood. It's a very thin wood because it's very lightweight, so that you can pretty much, and it's all hollowed out here, so you can hang it anyway on the wall. But if you do an acrylic pour or something on it, I actually had two of my 8-inch ones warp because I did not seal them. I knew better, but sometimes I just ignore my own rules. Always seal your wood. It does not matter. Always seal it. There's a lot of MDF that I don't seal because I'm doing like resin on it. So if I'm doing resin on it, most of the time I seal it because I don't want the air bubbles, because wood breathes. So you don't want the air bubbles to come up. But these are thin, so I did have a couple of the 8-inch rounds warp as they dried with acrylic. I haven't seen a problem with resin yet, but even with resin, just seal your wood first, and then you won't have that problem. But if you forget like I did, I don't know, it's not guaranteed to work. It only worked for me the one time I tried it, but I went ahead and I wet the back real good, and then I put it down flat, and I put really heavy bottles of resin on it and left it overnight, and it unwarped, should I say. But I haven't tried it with a bigger one, so that's not a guarantee. Just go ahead and just seal your wood, and then you won't have these problems. So anyway, this is the which one is it? I swear to God, nobody is allowed in my room, but I'm missing everything. This is the 12-inch. And then I got 2 of those. Nope. 3. Nope. 4. And then this one here is, I believe, the 16-inch. Very nice. So yeah, if you're going to do like a geode on them or something, because the stones and stuff for a geode and resin, make something really heavy. So if you're using a heavy piece of wood to begin with, then you add stones and stuff on it, now you're talking about a really heavy piece. So these are good board to start with because they're light. All right. And then I'm not sure if I showed you these, but they are selling geode acrylic. So these are clear. You just rip the paper off of them, and then you'll do your artwork, and then you rip the other side, and they're crystal clear. But I got a couple shapes of them too. I didn't really need this one, but you know, while you're on the site. But yeah, you can. She's got like a 2-piece one. That's like 20 bucks. This one is 18 by 13 and a half. I don't know. I can't remember what the prices are. They are all under $20. The 2-piece one is 20 bucks. I'll list the prices for it and stuff. I'll look them up and list them in the description. Okay, so that's my Lolivefe order. Now, let me get you a little closer. Actually, I'll come around this side because these are, let me go in, hang on. Hold on. Oops. Sorry, I actually stopped it. Alright, so this is from Laurasartcorner. I got some Laurasartcorner and LeRez. So I needed some like some matte pastes for upcoming video. I hadn't ordered from them in a while. So I went on the site and there were 2 colors that I've been after, but they're always sold out, and they had them, so I got them. So this is the Nemo. It is a, hang on, oop, look at that. It's a matte orange, very opaque, very cool. And that will go with Dory, which is a deep, come on. These are pastes, deep blue. Both of these, no shimmer. See? So, of course, you can add shimmer if you want it, but, you know, like with some of their... Let me get a baby wipe. Hang on. Some of their shimmery stuff. But these two are very good. I want to do a Detroit Tiger piece, and these colors are fantastic. Look at putting it all over. Anyway, and then this one I had not ever seen before, and I thought it was very pretty. It looked a lot like a Tiffany blue. Ooh. that gooey goodness. Yeah, so very pretty color. This one is called turquoise blue. So those are my colors from LeRez. And then I got some beebles. I'm going to put you down some so that you can actually see them. Look at, I got that. Hang on. It's like I'm a kindergartner or something. Can't even drink the Kool-Aid without a Kool-Aid mustache. What? I'm a damn hot mess. Holy crap. I made a mess. Okay. Alright, so these are called, whoops, these are called beebles. And they're all irregular shaped. Oops, just lost one. Iridescent. Aren't they pretty? So, and the little things are filled to the rim. I think these were like $5. And they are beebles. And I got two because I had a feeling I was going to like them. Again, Laura's Art Corner on Facebook. Then I got some of these sparkly diamonds because I seen Tish at Naptime Creations use them, and they looked like they did not lose their sparkle under resin. Look at, my finger still hasn't healed, you guys. It's so ugly. I don't even like showing you, but I don't want to point with my middle finger because it looks like I'm flipping you all off. But nobody wants to see that nasty ass finger. But look at them. Whoop. Dropping diamonds. Can't be dropping diamonds when you're balling on a budget. Gotta. Okay. So yeah, those are called sparkle diamonds. Of course, I got two. And then these are a lot smaller than they looked, which is super cool. Look at how tiny these are. I can't even, if I put these in my hand, I'm going to lose them all. There they go. There she goes. Oh, don't look at that finger. Look at how tiny these little aqua beads are. Oh, there she goes. All right, guys. Let's just do it in the container. Look at, they are so tiny. So like if you put them in a line for like a geode or something with a Mod Podge or a matte gel paste or something that will dry clear, then you'll just see the beads. So cute. Mini aqua beads. And then she sent me some fancy schmancy cubic zirconias. Look at that. What? So these are on her website now too. She's got different sizes of them. Look at them. So yeah, if you want to get any of this stuff or all of this stuff, go to Laura's Art Corner. If you're in the US, go to Laura's Art Corner. Actually, for the beebles and the baubles and the diamonds and all that stuff, like the glitters and stuff, it is Laura's Art Corner. But she just so happens to sell the LeRez products in the US, so that you don't have to pay Australian prices to have them shipped. So, if you are in Australia, you can get the lovely LeRez products from lerezexpressions.com. But I don't think that she I'm not sure. I don't know that she sells Laura's beads and glass and all that stuff. But pastes, powders, resin in Australia for lerezexpressions.com. And Laurasartcorner for the US. So that's it, guys, and that's my mail for the day. I love getting sparkly stuff in the mail. So there you go. So tune in for upcoming projects, probably using all of these, and I will see you on the next one. Go check your mail. You might have treasures in your mailbox too. Bye, guys.